What's the matter? Why does it matter? In this video, I'll explain the differences between these two questions. What's the matter and why does it matter? Use what's the matter when asking about a problem. Use why does it matter when asking about the importance of something. What's the matter? Or is there something the matter? You could also use anything. Is there anything the matter? Both of these questions are asking about the existence of a problem. Is there a problem? What's the problem? When the question is asked, what's the matter? Here are some possible answers when a person doesn't want to say that there is something the matter. So a person might say, nothing. Or, there's nothing the matter. Or, there's nothing wrong. All of these are negative responses to the question, what's the matter? Or you could ask a question like this, what's the matter with your, and then this is the thing or the person. What's the matter with your car? Or what's the matter with your leg if a person is limping? What's the matter with your leg? If it's for another person, what's the matter with your brother? Your brother, perhaps, is having some problems. What's the matter with your brother? What's the matter with your car? It has a broken headlight. It's rusting around the wheel wells. The rear bumper is falling off. My car, or it, needs new brakes. This is the problem with the car. It needs new brakes. If the question is, why does it matter? Then here you can give the reason. So here's the question, and then here's the reason. It matters because, and then here is the reason. Or you could just say, it's because, and then give the reason. Why does it matter in the case of a car needing new brakes? Why does it matter? It's because the brakes stop the car. And this is the answer to this question. Why does it matter? If the answer is negative, then you could say, it doesn't matter. Why does it matter? And the answer, it doesn't matter, is a possibility. Whether it matters or not, you might hear somebody answer this way to this question. Why does it matter? Does it matter? The answer could just be no, or no, it doesn't matter. Or, does it matter? Yes, it matters. Or, yes, it does matter. Yes, it does matter. If you put the helping verb here, that helps to emphasize the importance of the situation. Yes, it does matter. Is this an important matter? Yes, it's an important matter. Or if it's negative, then you could just say, no, it's not important. No, it's not important. If you change why to what does it matter? This is an expression of frustration. You really are not happy with the situation, and you don't believe that you can change it. What does it matter? What matters to you? What is important to you? And here, whatever that thing is, matters to me. What matters to you? And then here's the answer. Whatever this is, matters to me. What matters to you? In the comment section, tell me what is important to you. What matters to you? And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.